Select how many people you'll be registering. Type in the first name, optional middle name, and last name of the first person, followed by their email address. If you're joining a team or school, start typing the name and then select it. If you're creating a new team, type that name in the following field and hit Tab or Enter. Discount codes are only used for companies who are paying for everyone in their group. Then enter an optional donation if you wish. Select the age group of the first person. Note that Pay Now with Cash is not available for online registrations. That's only used in person. Then enter the card information, card number, security code, expiration date, the billing first name, middle name optional, last name, street address. For city, leave it blank in Bermuda. Enter the country. If you change the country from Bermuda, then it may change to provinces or states if you're United States. Enter the postal code. Enter the first name of your emergency contact. Enter the phone number of your emergency contact, and then select the event that the first person will be participating in. Read the waiver, and you must agree to the waiver in order to continue. So once read, click in the box next to Agree to Waiver. Click Continue, and then we move to Participant 2. We follow the same information. First name, optional middle name, last name, email address of the second person. Again, now that we've created a team, we'll be able to find that team in the Join a Team or School optional field. So we'll start typing team and Simon, and there it pops up. So we select it, and we can do an optional donation if we wish for the second person, choose their age range, choose their emergency contact first name and phone number, select the event that they'll be participating in, and then agree to the waiver. Finally, click Continue if you're satisfied with everything. You can look over your registration information, make sure everything is correct before you click to submit. So at this point, we have everything in for our 2 participants, and then we will click Continue. This brings us to the Thank You for Registering page, where you'll see a big orange button, Create Your Personal Campaign Page. That's used if you want to have a dedicated web page to raising funds for the End-to-End, and you can configure that page. We'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. Meanwhile, we'll move on to the confirmation emails. If you entered the email addresses correctly, each participant will receive a confirmation email like the one you're looking at now. Note that you can copy and paste information from that email to send to friends, family, and coworkers to support you in raising funds for the End-to-End. You also have another opportunity to create a personal campaign page like that orange button, and this is what you will receive indicating that you are registered for the event. All right, let's go back to creating a personal campaign page. Note that you'll also have an opportunity, like I showed you in that confirmation email, to do this. So by clicking on the orange button, that asks you for your first name, last name, and email address. So enter those. And then click Continue. Step 2, you can have a title. So I'm going to call mine, "This is my campaign page." You can be more creative. You can have a welcome message that appears on the page. You can set a goal, and that goal is not cast in stone, in concrete. You can set any goal you like. I'm going to put $5,000 as my goal. And then you can put a message, whatever you like, and you can configure that. And if you know HTML, you can make it pretty fancy, or you can keep it simple. And you can also upload, if you wish, a picture of yourself or any picture you like, any image you like that you think will resonate with your friends, family, or colleagues. And then when you click Save, it's going to bring you to your new campaign page. So this is my campaign page. That's the heading. Below that, it tells you that you'll get a confirmation email for your campaign page. It shows me that I've reached 0% towards my goal. Has a picture, has some text, and there's a donate button at the bottom. So let's click on that donate button and you'll see what your friends, family, and colleagues will see when they go to your page. So they see this, and quite simply, they're going to choose an amount that they'd like to support you with. And that amount will be figured in your personal totals. And if you're a member of a team or school, the amount that they give will also be included in the team or school totals. And if you prefer to remain anonymous, click the box. And here's a copy of the confirmation email you'll receive for creating a personal campaign page. Simply copy and paste the link starting HTTPS that you find in that email and send it to all your friends, family, and colleagues to raise money for the end-to-end. Thank you.